Hello and welcome to How to Play Cheers to the Governor. The game is played with 3 or more players. To play, you will need the Cheers to the Governor game. Thanks to Lost Boy Entertainment for providing the game used in this video. Separate the numbers deck from the rules deck. Shuffle each deck and place them face down in the middle of the playing area. All players in the game are working together to win. The object of the game is to successfully count to 21 as a group. The catch is that after each round, one of the numbers is replaced with a rule. For the first round, select any player to start the count. After the first player says 1, the next player to the left says 2. The count continues up to 21. The player that finishes the counting process becomes the governor for the round. The governor will draw the top card of the numbers deck and the top 3 cards of the rules deck. The governor will then select one of the rules to replace the number drawn. The governor starts the new round of counting. Going forward, the rule will replace the number during the counting phase of that round. Here, players must name a superhero instead of saying 3. After each round, the new governor for that round will draw and replace a number with a rule. Each round, a new rule will replace a number. All previous rules remain throughout the game. If a player messes up the count by saying the wrong number or performs the rule incorrectly, the count must start over with the player who made the mistake. The rules in play are placed face down and cannot be looked at during the counting process. If the players are able to successfully complete a count when all the numbers are replaced with the rules, the game is won. For an easier and quicker game, lower the number to count to by removing the higher numbered cards from the number deck. For a greater challenge, do not repeat previous count answers for open-ended rules. That wraps up How to Play Cheers to the Governor. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.